In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to divide a circle into equal parts in Adobe Illustrator quickly and accurately. This is a super useful technique for creating pie charts, radial designs, logos, icons, mandalas, infographics, and any circular layout where you need perfect spacing. The best part is that Illustrator does all the math for you, so once you learn this method, you can divide a circle into any number of equal sections in seconds. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. To start, select the Ellipse tool by pressing L on your keyboard. Now click and drag on your artboard to draw a circle, but make sure you hold down the Shift key while dragging. Holding Shift keeps the proportions locked, so you get a perfect circle instead of an oval. Once you're happy with the size, release your mouse. Next, we need to create a reference line that will be rotated around the center of the circle. Select the Line Segment tool by pressing the / key on your keyboard. Now draw a straight line starting from the exact center of the circle and extending outward to the edge. If Smart Guides are enabled, Illustrator will help you snap directly to the center point. If you don't see snapping guides, go to View and make sure Smart Guides are turned on. That will make this step much easier. Once your line is drawn from the center to the outer edge, select the line using the Selection tool. Now we're going to rotate this line evenly around the circle. Press R on your keyboard to activate the Rotate tool. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just dragging to rotate manually, hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option on Mac, and then click exactly on the center of the circle. This is very important because you're telling Illustrator that this point is the pivot point for the rotation. After you Alt-click or Option-click the center, a Rotate dialog box will appear. Now you need to enter the correct angle. To divide a circle evenly, you simply divide 360 degrees by the number of sections you want. For example, if you want 6 equal parts, divide 360 by 6, which gives you 60 degrees. If you want 8 parts, divide 360 by 8, which gives you 45 degrees. Just type your calculated angle directly into the angle field. Instead of clicking OK, click Copy. This creates a rotated duplicate of your line while keeping the original in place. Now here's the shortcut that saves a ton of time. Press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. This repeats the last transformation. Keep pressing it repeatedly, and Illustrator will continue duplicating and rotating the line at the same angle until the circle is fully divided into equal sections. At this point, you'll see your circle divided visually by evenly spaced lines, but they're still just strokes overlapping a shape. To turn these into actual separate pieces, select the circle and all of the lines together. The easiest way is to drag a selection box around everything. Now go to the top menu and click Window, then choose Pathfinder. In the Pathfinder panel, click the Divide option. This will slice the circle wherever the lines intersect it. After clicking Divide, everything will still appear grouped together. To separate the pieces, go to Object in the top menu and choose Ungroup. Now each section of the circle is an individual shape that you can move, color, resize, or edit independently. And that's it. That's how you divide a circle into equal parts in Adobe Illustrator using the Rotate tool and Pathfinder. Once you understand this method, you can apply it to any number of divisions, whether it's 3, 5, 12, or even 100 segments, and Illustrator will keep everything perfectly precise. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.